Today I'm going to tell you how to work on MS Excel. Let us open MS Excel file. See, one file is open and you have one sheet active. The name of the sheet is tutorial 1. Then you have sheet 2. Then you have sort, filter, chart, logical. You can add as many as sheet you want. Let us start with tutorial 1. In tutorial 1, we'll understand how to type data in Excel. Simply you are supposed to click on any cell to type any data. Like I have selected cell A1. See, here it is A1 and it is B1. Here it is B1. This is the cell address A1, B1, then C1, D1, so on and so forth. See, if you want to type any text in A1, then select it and type name, roll number, course, and roll number, semester. Type name, okay. See, Arvind Kumar Singh. Arvind is seen in column A, whereas Kumar Singh is in column B. But this is not actually the case. The whole name Arvind Kumar Singh is in column A. To see it completely in column A, take your mouse pointer to the joint of the column A and B and you'll see a double-headed arrow and drag it a little, and the entire name Arvind Kumar Singh is in column A. It is visible. Okay, make it in previous condition. There is one option more to see it completely in column A. Move the mouse pointer to the joint of the column and double click and it automatically fits. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then course BA, enrollment number A1, 2, 3, 4 and semester Sem 2. Najam Zaman is text data and this roll number is your numeric data. Here your enrollment number and semester is alphanumeric data. So this way you can keep on typing. Okay, let us take one more thing. How to use formula in MS Excel. Say here again it is the name of the student. I am copying it and paste it here. This is the name. This is marks Hindi. This is marks English. This is marks maths and this is total. We are supposed to find the total of the marks obtained by each student. Najam Singh has secured 80 marks in Hindi, 82 in English and 91 in mathematics. So to obtain total, we have to apply formula, and we can apply formula like this. Formula starts with sign equal sign and then type the marks. First is 80, then 82 and then 91 and you get the result 253. Okay, if you want to make it general, then instead of typing marks directly, you can type the cell address like equals to, this is your B6 plus C. us use a general formula to obtain the result. Click the cell, start by equal sign, and now use the cell address instead of the number. Like this cell is B6, type B6 plus C6 plus D6 and enter. You get the result. Now you can drag this formula to many cells. Here we see all zeros because we don't have relative data. Enter the data 60 and then 70 and then 55, and here's the result. Then you have 90, 91 and 92, and here's the result. So you can see that this formula automatically works. You just keep on entering the marks and you'll get the result. This is about using simple formula. Let us take one more example of formula. Principal, rate of interest, number of terms, and then simple interest. We have to calculate simple interest. We'll first type the data, and the data is like principal amount is 1 lakh, rate of interest 12, number of terms 3 years, and the simple interest, as you all know, simple interest is principal into rate of interest into number of terms whole divided by 100. So let us start it. This is your principal into rate of interest into number of term, braces closed, whole divided by 100, and you get the result. So this way you can understand how to use formula in an MS Excel shell. Let us use one more action which is known as data sort. Data sort, let me copy some data to sort. And the data is pasted here. Let us rename the sheet. Sheet 2 is as sort. Sort is already taken. Data sort. Okay. Make the heading bold and then apply all border. Select the data, and here it is border, all border, and then border is complete. Sort means to rearrange the database into in any particular order, ascending or descending order. You click on any cell or entire data as you like, and then go to data menu, and then you have sort. You click on sort, and here it is saying my data has header. This is your header row, name and subject. Sort by, like name, and then OK, and your data is sort. You can see over here. This is the data sort, application of data sort, so that you can rearrange your data in alphabetically ascending or descending order. Okay, let us now go to data filter. Data filter is to obtain certain data which is required in any condition. Like for example, here the data is of Hindi, computer, maths, history, and then history, etc. So you want to have the data of the students who have opted maths only. So what you're supposed to do, click on in any cell and then go to data menu, and then What you're supposed to do, click on any cell within the database, then go to data menu and then click on filter. And the moment you click on filter, you'll notice one drop down button on each field, and each drop down button gives you a list in which you get the data arranged, and unique data means data is not repeated. Okay, like what we wanted to have our data like? We wanted to have our data in which all the students must be from math stream. So in subject drop down list, you click and you see math over here, uncheck all and then check math only and then click OK, and you have data of the students who have opted math only. You can clear the data also by clicking again on filter button. Okay, one more thing. This was the simple data filter, and that was known as data auto filter. We have one more thing which is known as advanced filter. In advanced filter, we set certain criteria to filter the data. So what you're supposed to do is, first of all, add 3 rows on top of your database. Insert. I inserted 3 rows. Copy the header row and paste it on top. And then in the row just beneath the header row, type the criteria. Like you wanted to have the data of the students where the name starts with alphabet A, then type here A. You want to have the database of those students whose subject is starting with the letter C. And in semester, you want to have the students of semester 2 only. And then marks, you want to have either greater than or equals to 60. So this was your criteria. Now you have to sort the data in advanced way. Click on data menu and then data advanced. Here you are supposed to input 2 things. One is list range and the other one is your criteria range. The database is your list and the criteria you just mentioned is your criteria range. So in list range, click here and then select the entire database. This is your list. Click on criteria range and then select the entire criteria like this and click OK. And now you have no data, because see, there was no data of name A and then subject computer in semester 2nd. Okay, we clear the data. Let us make it semester 1 and recheck it. Advanced, row and criteria is written there, already there. Just click OK and see. This is your first semester data. So this way you can use data filter, advanced way or auto filter. In this section of tutorial, let us understand what is a chart and what exactly is chart wizard. A chart is graphical representation of your tabular database in MS Excel, and whereas a wizard is, it is exactly a way of step-by-step doing process and then obtain a result. So a wizard found in a Microsoft Excel program that takes user step-by-step through the process of creating a chart in MS Excel is known as chart wizard. So before using chart wizard, you must have a database. So we already have a database of marks obtained by different students. This is here. Click on in any cell within the database. Like if you have cell selected here, you cannot use chart wizard. You have to select any cell within the database. Go to insert menu and then this section is of your chart section. Here you can open your chart wizard, and this is the all chart. We have got so many types of chart like column, line, pie, bar, area. Take example for column. And this is the subcategory. This is the style, different style. This is 3D. Like we have opted this one, 3D clustered column, and click on OK. And the moment you click OK, you get a chart like this. You can resize it and you can replace it at any place location within the sheet. This is your chart. See, for example, Madan. Marks in Hindi 47, marks in English 52, marks in mathematics 89, and total is 188. Here, this blue color is Hindi, and then this is English, and then this is maths, and then this is total marks. So this way you can make a chart in MS Excel. Go to home again, and your sheet is like this. So so far we have learned how to type data, and then how to sort the data, then how to filter the data in auto filter and in advanced filter, and then chart wizard. Let us one more thing, and which is known as function. I'm going to type, rather copy paste this data here in function. We have so many functions like sum, count, average, min, max. So this function is used to obtain the result based on function. Like this is your range, data range, and you want to have sum of these range. So start using with plus sign, sum, and then open bracket, select the first cell address column, and then select the last, and then close bracket and enter. You get the sum 1048. Okay, just in place of sum type count, and the count is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, use average. Average is 174. Use min. And the minimum marks is 131. See here, this is the minimum marks. Max. Max is 235. Here it is 235. This is all for today's tutorial. We'll sit again and learn something more. Thank you.